Kilarigbo Live TV.
You were there when I was going through my trials. You told me not to give up, and to the glory of God here, I'm saying, Daddy, thank you. I'm not going to disappoint you.
Gbogbo ẹni tó ń wo Kilarigbo TV ẹ ò ní mọ sáré ọmọ. Gbogbo ẹni tó ń wo Kilarigbo TV ẹ ò ní mọ ìbànújẹ́. Gbogbo ẹni tó ń wo Kilarigbo TV ire àti ayọ̀ lẹ máa máa rí gbọ́. Etí yín á gbọ́ ire, ojú yín á ríre.
Put your hands together for the first lady.
Behind a successful man, there is always a woman. Not just a woman, a queen. A queen. Our African queen. Let's jump and get up one minute, baby.
I have a God who is powerful.
Let's keep telling her, let's get up, this service is over.
I really want to return all the glory back to God, who's been faithful. I want to appreciate my father, who gave me his shoulder when I came to Celestial Church of Christ from CSE. I was born into Islam, my wife was born into Islam. My Muslim name was Siwa, our own name Shakirat. And I was discovered by a man, a father, a mentor that has helped me so much in my life that you can talk about Genesis Global, that you can talk about Paradise Parish. The paradise that didn't paralyze my destiny. I really want to say this all over the world. Some of you will say, oh, who is his father? The man who gave me his feathers. And before I mention his name, I want to appreciate my big brother. He's a boss, my father. I mean, I call him my father. Some people are calling him my friend. I'm talking about, I don't like calling people with titles. Prophet Yomioni. Thank you, sir. When we talk about King of Kings Cathedral, there's no way we won't talk about Prophet Yomioni. So I'm talking about this man who discovered me, who saw grace in me, who saw power in me, and he was able to encourage me. And up to now, I was actually waiting for him, because he said, we're going to wear something like this. We ought to have my sultana, you know, and he said, wait for me. And I was actually waiting for him to come up here. I really want you to please help me appreciate Prophet Evangelist Dr. Femi Soyoye. Okay, listen to me. I know a lot of people will say, okay, why will they, don't play that. Why will they play Talugbonto alone? It's a question. I have my winning souls for Christ, and to the glory of God, God has been so faithful to us. This is Genesis Global Celestial Church, and I tell you, nothing is going to take me out of the church. Celestial Church is a wonderful church. So, for me, I want you to please, let me show my father to you, to the word. This is his first time of coming here to be part of our praise night, and I want you to please bring him up here. He's not going to do anything. I just want you to know him. Prophet Evangelist Femi Soyoye. If you're clapping, you better clap. Just put your hands together to celebrate God. Put your hands together to celebrate my father.
Let's celebrate our Father. Quite a number of you.
Make some noise.
Daddy the DJ. Daddy the DJ. Daddy the DJ. Come on, celebrate Father and Son. Put those beautiful hands together. Celebrate
saying, God bless you for me, sir. Thank you for everything you've done. My mother actually handed me over to this man, and I can't stop saying thank you for the rest of my life. Can you please, let's put our hands together. Scream the way you have not screamed before.
Send your hands together.
Let me see the person that is screaming like everyone, more than everyone. Scream, scream, Genesis, scream, scream, scream. Ebenezer, you are Mario. So we have to say thank you. Can you say thank you, sir? Daddy, thank you for everything. For the trouble, for sometimes the way you slap me. The way you slap me, the way you beat me. I endured. It was so bad, it was so rough, it was so tough. You never taught me to be fetish, you never taught me to go to the occultic world. I promise you then that I'm going to make you proud. My best is yet to come. I'm not where I'm supposed to be, but I'm not where I used to be. You were there when I was going through my trials. You told me not to give up, and to the glory of God here, I'm saying, Daddy, thank you. I'm not going to disappoint you. Thank you, sir.
Let's join our hands together for Jesus Christ.
Thank you so much. So, thank you.
Celebrate them. Hallelujah.
Let's celebrate our
It's coming next. It's coming next.
Kilarigbo Live TV.